Dear ladies and gentlemen, world community, I on behalf of myself and the political people, democratic movement armed of Tajikistan, appeal to you. We are humans, first of all, and we were born free from matter, but they did not fail. This freedom in Tajikistan, E.Rahmon and his clan and criminal groups declared themselves the shadow of Allah, the Lord Almighty, on our earth, and made my people selfish. There is no freedom of speak in Tajikistan, no democracy, no international lives, no democratical electric. Everyone who talks about human freedom will be put in jail with fabricante criminal cases. International Richt no winter is cold in Tajikistan. The people have no electricity, drink, independence, will, revolution, international, bedets, and grants. Elf hydroelectric station were built in Tajikistan for 30 years, but all this belongs of the family of E.Rahmon and his clan. He sells electricity to other countries, and his money is sent offshore. The simple folk of works and serfs have no least but the feudal lords and slaves. Owners have electricity in the years of the 21 state country. The evolution of innovation and technology, even in countries where there is electricity, but we don't. My people exploited as cheap labor force, kills, oppresses, rapers of wees and children. This is exploitation of man over man. My people want freedom from modern feudalism and slavery. And therefore, on the initiative of the people, the political people democratic movement, Amot was created. Allah the Lord, God the Almighty, creator of all world, created, use free people and allows freedom. We are free of all people done with dictatorship and feudal regime. Imam Ali Rahman give us electricity. Their